Looking at other specifications in comparison with the competition. So first of all, as I mentioned, we believe for our use case that HOB technology is by far the best solution. We have a very good contrast ratio. The Android solution that we use, or the main board that we use in our product, is by far the most up-to-date one. So ready for the future, more than enough space to save files, to save apps and so on. With our wireless software application, i3 AllSync, you use up to 6 devices simultaneously to share information. We have the best speakers on the market. And perhaps one of the most important differences is the power consumption, where we have a super good score. For example, a 138-inch has an average power consumption of 490 watt, and the worst product in the market goes almost up to 700 watt. So that's a huge difference that we have with the competition. And last but not least, the weight, where we also have a good score that also impacts the transport or the whole footprint of the product, and also helps people to install it more easily as the weight is much lower. If we look at the installation, we have a certification process. If you want to become a certified installation partner, please get in touch with us to discuss further details. All right, so in a nutshell, with the i3 Connect Walnut, we want to bring in interactivity in larger rooms like auditoriums and larger meeting rooms by adding the i360, where you can take notes on to bring more energy in the room. With the best technology, HOB in this case, used in the Walnut solution to achieve the best image and also the most robust product in the market that is ready for the future, we believe that this is a great solution. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you on next time. Bye-bye.